I welcome you all to phase 3 of this chapter, The Thief's Story, written by Ruskin Bond. Let's proceed. So let's do the summary. An inexperienced boy thief Hari befriends a struggling author Anil. Hari tells various small lies and then asks for a job. Arun gives him a job. Anil gives him a job as a cook but tells him that he hasn't any money to pay him, so he will give him room and board in exchange for his services. Hari accepts this with the real hidden intention of robbing him someday. Even after proving that he is a terrible cook, Hari convinces him that he can be of use to Anil. Anil then teaches him not only how to cook but how to read, write and count money. He lets Hari have the liberty of keeping some unasked change after daily shopping trips, and he keeps the keys too. One night, Hari watches Anil hide money under the mattress, and Hari gets tempted to steal. He takes the money and escapes out in the old rainy night, but his conscience is pricked due to the fact that Anil had always trusted him doubtlessly and was teaching him to be an educated man too. Suddenly, the friendship becomes more important than money. Anil's trust seems more important than anything he can steal, and learning a new craft is more important than practicing the old, like thieving. So he goes back to Anil's room, keeps the money back, and then he realizes that Anil has known all this thing all along. That the money he replaced was wet from the rain the night before. Even then, Anil doesn't question him. Hari gets the indication that Anil is aware of what has happened the night before, and so Anil's kindness and goodness reform a misled teenager. We need to proceed to the deeper understanding of the story. For that, I have compiled some content for you. Let's have a look. Sometimes it takes only one act of kindness and caring to change a person's life. Do you agree? Justify. So कभी कभी kindness एक act एक इंसान की ज़िंदगी बदल देती है. इस चैप्टर में यही होता है. तो इस आंसर को हम शुरू करेंगे अनिल के कैरेक्टर से. Wrong answer है. आप you will write it in 3 paragraphs. I am giving you just main points. Anil's character, he was an epitome of kindness and goodness. इस word को देखिए, epitome. Epitome means एक best example. इसको epitome नहीं बोलना गलती से भी, इसको epitome बोला जाता है. So he was an epitome of kindness and goodness. He is a trustful, compassionate, perceptive, as well as philosophical in his outlook towards life. ट्रस्टफुल है, कंपैशनेट है मतलब काइंड है, परसेप्टिव है मतलब उसकी अपनी सोच है ज़िंदगी के बारे में, और फिलोसफिकल है, बड़ी ही आइडियलिक से बात करता है, फिलोसफी वाली बात करता है. ही इज़ अ काइंड ऑफ मैन हु डजंट अलाउ लाइफ टू वरी हिम. पैसे नहीं है पर वो घबराता नहीं, वो मस्त रहता है, खुश रहता है, एंड टेक्स ईच डे एज ही कम्स. तो कभी उसको किसी की हेल्प करने के लिए जॉब भी देनी पड़े वो डरता नहीं. Although Anil appears to be poor, he still consents to take Hari in. वो हरी को फिर भी रखता है. Seems that he understood the struggles in Hari's life. You can explain it like he couldn't cook, had no parents, no money, no learning. So he stole small amount of change. Anil did not mind that. छोटी छोटी चीज़ों को वो बुरा नहीं मानता, छोटे छोटे मनी के लॉस को उसको फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता, और वो समझता है कि हरी की लाइफ में काफ़ी स्ट्रगल है. Anil's trust and faith on Hari, इसके बारे में लिखेंगे. Certainly Anil could have understood Hari's tricks and lies. He was an alert and watchful man. Yet Hari knows the power of his trust. फिर भी उसको पता है कि उसके ट्रस्ट में बहुत पावर है, and he would be sad not for the money but for the loss of trust. He continued to keep him despite terrible cooking, didn't scold or fire him. He taught him words and maths. On the night of theft, he knew where Hari had gone. He didn't react to stop him. Next morning, he didn't talk about the theft, that the notes were wet. He didn't belittle or even insult or even question Hari, because he knew that all this is going to rather make him feel bad only. What he should focus on is learning and receiving education. So he extends to him the hope of change, motivates his urge to learn, and he is very mature in conduct. His generosity makes Hari get a chance in life. He can be whoever he wants to be without having to steal from others. Due to the kindness by Anil, Hari has better prospects in life. Now the question is, money can't make a man as much as education can. तो यहाँ पे power of education की बात हो रही है. Statement is true in all aspects of life. Money can buy luxuries and it can fulfill our needs, but it cannot buy knowledge, civilized thinking, skills and abilities to achieve our dreams. It lays the platform for all to act upon our goals according to our abilities. There are many more benefits of education. You can write one or two more. I'm coming to the main point. You will end the first paragraph by telling at the end name of the chapter and name of the author or the main character. And education is being talked about for whom? Like Hari Singh prioritized the chance of being literate for a few hundred rupees. We must understand that education can help us to achieve what we desire. So further education may begin as a basic desire for someone, but it brings upon a paradigm shift in everyone. हर कोई education के बाद बदल जाता है. Hari Singh's reactions to the prospect of receiving an education also change over time. That is why he returns to Anil. When he had started living with Anil, he wanted to be literate so that he could become a more cunning cheat. But later on, he wants to earn respect. He is influenced by the calmness in Anil's life. Both of them depend on irregular sources of income. But Anil seems to be very satisfied, and Hari seems to be a desire to be a part of civilized society. He wants money and a good flow of it. He had always wanted becomes meaningless for him when he is breaking the trust of his friend Anil. He learns to appreciate and acknowledge the virtues of trust, care, kindness, and the loss of these virtues. Mere aiming for education transforms him in so many ways. I hope you are liking my classes. Thanks for being with me at eClasses with Shalini ma'am. I request you all to please like, subscribe, and press the bell icon. If you do that, your gesture is going to really motivate me so that I create more such videos and bring more useful content for you. Thank you so much. Now we come to discuss the next question, which talks about the value of forgiveness. It is a commonly spoken statement that forgiveness is the attribute of the strong. Did Anil forgive Hari, or he didn't know what had happened? Now value points are, first of all, Anil was an educated man who yearned to be an author. Possibly that is why he is sensitive to Hari, though he does not express any such feelings directly. तो वो author था, and जो poets होते हैं, they are very sensitive people. The authors are very sensitive people. Many instances are there. He ignores Hari's lies, mistakes, continues to impose his trust on him again and again. Tell all these instances. And all these instances shows that each time he forgives Hari, even if Hari smiles and flatters and makes his way to an opportunity, he knows everything. Still he keeps on forgiving all his mistakes. Now what was the consequence? The consequence of Anil's trust and forgiveness pays back Anil his money, comes back, and even Hari comes back to get educated. So that's an achievement for Anil and his values. Hari seemed he was bound to Anil. To Hari it seemed that he was bound to Anil. He knew no other man better or more caring than Anil. He could differentiate Anil with respect to the greedy, the rich, and the poor, that he was so unique. And what does he write about it? Write that. He didn't belong to any of these ordinary categories. He was above all these people. He was just good, just trusting and kind. And Hari couldn't board the train and go away from Anil, and he had to return. He felt so helpless and so highly mistaken about what he had thought about Anil or his life with Anil. Now the power of money was also gone for him. He did not find it important. Forgiveness is at work the next morning finally. Next morning कैसे होता है? There are clear signals. There are two signals. You have to tell them here. That Anil doesn't talk about the previous night. He sticks firmly to his resolve of forgiveness. He doesn't discuss anything, though he knows. Hari feels contented and uplifted. He feels so positive. He smiles heartily and resolves to be a changed man. So Anil's forgiveness killed the urge to steal permanently, and he made him worthy of being educated and to have a better life. Children, I hope you've enjoyed this lesson. It was a detailed study of the chapter The Thief's Story for class 10. I hope you understood it well. In case you have any doubts, get back to me. Keep excelling in English. Have a nice day. Bye.